My name is Kok Ee Yin, and this is my video on the association of light exposure with psychosocial factors among pregnant women. We are exposed to light every day. Sunlight, which is the natural light source, LED light, tungsten halogen lamp, incandescent light, and fluorescent light, which are artificial light sources. So how does light exposure affect our health? It promotes sleep quality and stimulates the production of vitamin D. It also regulates our cognitive function and improves depressive disorders. Light exposure also regulates our immunity and hormones such as cortisol and melatonin. There are also some bad sides to light exposure, especially artificial lighting at night. When exposed to blue light, there will be an increase in reactive oxygen species production, which can lead to oxidative stress and cause inflammation. Blue light will also inhibit melatonin secretion, which disrupts sleep cycle. When exposed to artificial light, there's an increased risk of cancer and is a risk factor of obesity. Studies have shown that it is due to the disruption of sleep and increased time in wakefulness state, which allows more time for food consumption. To link light exposure with psychosocial factors, it can be explained through the hormone mechanism in our body. There are few hormones in our body that is influenced by light: cortisol, serotonin, and melatonin. Cortisol is responsible for stress responses. It is produced throughout the day, and when under stressful situation, its production peaks and triggers the body to produce more energy for fight or flight responses. Serotonin is also called the happy hormone, which regulates mood, while melatonin is the hormone that helps regulate our circadian rhythm. Mothers under psychosocial distress, such as depression, anxiety, and stress, will affect pregnancy outcomes. A study showed that mothers having anxiety, also having high cortisol level, will have low birth weight infants. Not only that, dysregulation of cortisol hormone will also cause anxiety, which is associated with prenatal stress. A study by Bray et al. Showed that stress during pregnancy will cause gestational weight gain. Light exposure helps bring up mood, thus decreasing depression, anxiety, and stress among pregnant women, which will result in better pregnancy outcomes. It is important to know the association of light exposure with depression, anxiety, and stress levels among pregnant women because it may be a crucial factor in determining health outcomes of both the mother and the baby. The results lay a foundation in determining mothers' exposure to light, especially during this modern era where people's lifestyle is revolving around artificial light from technology. Thank you.